In this video, I will show you how to make money. Customers who are waiting for you to buy from you and help you make $1,000 to $5,000 per day. And all these can be done basically by spending 10 to 30 minutes per day while having fun watching interesting videos. I will show you what the customers are and what they are buying, how you can own what they are buying without spending money, and how they will buy from you without you even trying to sell. This will work for you if you have zero experience, zero technical knowledge, you have never sold anything online, zero website and zero hosting server. This will work for you even if you don't have a social following. And the proud moment for me is that my software Epic will take 99% of the workload on your behalf. Using artificial intelligence, get Epic free trial link from the link in the description. Here is just one of those people who have made $500,000 using the same system, and you can do it too. Anyone, including you, can start making money from today. I will show you every step in this video, so stay tuned. Before we begin, our goal of this channel is to help 100 million individuals and families learn to make money online fast and easy. This is our goal for next 10 years. We give away free education and our premium softwares so you can learn, use, and make money online fast and easy. All our content and softwares cost us money, but we bear the cost on your behalf in order to give back to the society we live in, to our audience, and to our loyal customers. Only possible for us to continue if you continue to support us, and you can support us with just a free like and a share. So please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family in social media like Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, and via emails. This way, YouTube algorithm will know that this is a good and a helpful video, and they should share this video with more and more people. And this is the only way you can help us hit our goal of changing the lives of 100 million people in the next 10 years. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video. By the way, if you subscribe to our channel and turn the notification bell button on, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. The chance for the beginners or literally anyone to get fast results in free customer method, this method, is pretty much guaranteed. We know this system works because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work with our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos and $5,000 from 1,000 visitors. For example, 2 of our offers generated over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors that came from our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. When you use Epic, you won't have to use camera. You won't have to use your own voice and microphone, and you won't have to write any content or video script because Epic does everything on your behalf using artificial intelligence. Because Epic makes videos using free links, text, image, and videos. Epic writes video scripts using artificial intelligence, and Epic generates natural voiceover from text. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well. They can use our videos as templates from inside their user dashboard, and they can make their own videos using them. You're getting Epic free to try from the link in the description. Now let's begin our journey to learn how these guys are making over $500,000 from free customer method and how you can start making the same money starting today. Look at this. These guys have made over $500,000 selling Photoshop presets. There are over 7,500 offers like that on Etsy, and everybody's making money selling Photoshop presets. There are 288 courses on Skillshare, and people are making money selling their courses. Over 60,000 people search on YouTube every single month. Over 8,000 presets being sold on innovator. So, Photoshop presets is a hot digital downloadable that you can sell, or literally anyone can sell and make money. But that's not all. We will show you more ways to make money using this. I know your problem. You must be saying you don't have time to learn this totally new stuff. You are not tech savvy and you don't know how to make money from Photoshop presets. You don't even know how to make videos using Epic. All these problems, I do understand. And we will solve all this problem one by one. Stay tuned. No worries, you won't need any of those. I will show you everything in this video. We will follow the big hitters, the big money makers. Do very little work and start making money from today. Okay, first of all, join Skillshare free from the link in the description. Just research on courses about the topic, learn what's hot, have fun, and put your learning into Epic, my software. Take screenshots, images, text, put them into Epic. Free link is in the description to Epic, and make videos as you go using built-in artificial intelligence. In 30 minutes, you will learn a lot and make at least 3 1-minute long short videos. Spending 30 minutes per day in 7 days, you will have 21 valuable videos, which are also 21 modules of your first online course. That's a gigantic set of video content and a huge course ready to make money for you. Now, how do you make money from these videos? Step number 1, create a course on Skillshare. Start teaching. Start on Udemy as well. It's free to join in both platforms. Follow a popular course, change their words to your words, and publish your content that you have already made using Epic. From Skillshare, you will get paid based on watch time, and from Udemy, you will get paid from your sales. Now, I highly recommend on Udemy you start giving away for free in order to get some real ratings, reviews, and feedbacks from your students. Of course, make sure you ask for reviews and rating from your students at the very beginning of your course. Publish your videos, the same videos, on YouTube as shorts videos, 1 minute long shorts videos, and publish 3 to 4 videos per day. Right now, Shorts is hot and YouTube is promoting it to make it popular. So YouTube will start sending free traffic, free viewers, free visitors to your short videos. More you publish videos, more traffic you will get from YouTube for free completely. Use the same videos and publish on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and TikTok. Promote your free Skillshare course in your videos. Make an Etsy store and sell your presets using your videos. Put your links in the description and in first comment on YouTube videos, and in the bio links of Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Mention in text and in video where the links are, and ask people to click the links to get more. That's all you need to make money. That's all we do to make $5 from every single visitor. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. Make people fall in love with you, with your content, with your generosity, and people will buy from you, even if you don't know how to sell or even try to sell. The beauty of this method is the more content you create using Epic, the more traffic you get from all the social media accounts like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. All this traffic will boost your ratings and rankings on your courses and your preset store on Etsy. When this happens, these websites will send you their traffic, 100% free and organic buyer traffic. Google love all these sites: Udemy, Skillshare, Etsy. Google will take notice and Google will send search engine traffic. In case you don't know, search engine traffic is the most targeted buyer traffic, and you will make money from selling your course and presets from zero investment and zero experience. It all depends on how much regularly you publish new content. Now let me show you a couple of YouTube Shorts results on Photoshop preset. I just searched with Photoshop preset and look at the results. 1.9 million views and 2.4 thousand views. Can you see that? 1.9 million views, 2.4 thousand views, 19 19,000 views, 2,400 views, 948,000 and 22,000 views, 70,000 and 5.2 thousand views, and one video even got 1.5 million views. If you convert each view equals $5, you calculate how much money they can make and potentially you can make. It's already happening. Beginners are making money. We are making money. You can do it too. Okay, question again. Why? Why short videos? Why shorts? Because shorts is new. Shorts is hot. And shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube is trying to make it popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. And YouTube is promoting shorts and shorts creators heavily. And it makes our life super easy because it's just 1 minute video and it can be made using the amazing AI software like Epic in just 3 minutes.
Simply create new. Give your video a name, select vertical and click create. You got a vertical canvas. If you want to add an image, copy image address from any free source. Paste it here and your image is imported. Now, you can resize it, rotate it, make it dramatic. You can add text, resize the text, and do all kinds of formatting. If you want to voiceover, and you want to copy from anywhere, you can do it. Just copy from any website you want or place you want. Click the text generator, and paste it right here. Use our artificial intelligence to rewrite for you or use the spinner to rewrite, it is your choice. Let's use the spinner and the text you copied from somewhere is rewritten. Copy the text, take it and go to the audio section. Either you can upload your own audio or record your own audio from your mic or use the text to audio feature to add natural voiceover using the application. Give it a name, choose your favorite voice type based on text here. Then click Submit. Your voiceover is ready. Go to the audio section. And here is your audio. Your bite-sized video is ready. You can make it any length and you can add multiple bite-sized videos to make any length. Save your work to come back later and add more video sections. You can also use our templates, which we have designed for our customers. Once you are done, click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. You will receive an email notification once the render is complete. This is exactly how we made this video right here. You can download it and then upload it or directly upload it to Google Drive, Dropbox or other platforms. Or you can directly publish it on YouTube or other platforms.
Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the right way, and the fun way. In return, we want a simple favor from you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button. Also, you can help your friends and family and social media contacts, connections with learning how to make money online by sharing this video with them. Do that and they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and they will refer more customers to you, helping you make more money. Plus, you will get notified when we will upload our next How to Make Money Online video. And we will see you in the next video.